we're reviewing the Wyze Palm Lock, the new smart lock that lets you unlock your door by just waving your hand. Sounds like sci-fi, but does it actually work? Let's dive in. The Wyze Palm Lock is a smart deadbolt that uses palm vein scanning to unlock your door. No fingerprints, no touching anything. You just hold your hand 3 to 7 inches from the lock, and it scans the unique vein pattern under your skin using infrared light. It costs $130, which is way cheaper than competitors like Eufy at $400. The lock has a keypad for codes, app control, voice commands, and even a physical key backup. This is where it gets interesting. Palm vein scanning is actually used in high security places like Japanese banks. Wyze says your vein pattern can't be copied or forged like fingerprints can. The data is stored locally on the lock, not in the cloud, so hackers can't access it remotely. The lock is BHMA certified, meaning it's been tested thousands of times for durability. It also has anti-peep tech for pin codes, auto lock when the door closes, and alarms for tampering. Security-wise, you're solid. Early reviews are mostly positive. One user said palm recognition worked in under a second and felt more secure than fingerprints. The contactless feature is great when your hands are full of dirt. However, some users report occasional misreads. About 1 in 10 times, you might need to reposition your hand. Another reviewer said the lock can be temperamental in certain lighting. Setup takes about 25 minutes and the battery lasts 6 months with a backup battery included. Wi-Fi connectivity has some bugs early on, but Wyze just released a firmware update fixing that. First, it requires the Wyze app to unlock all features. If you're not already in their ecosystem, there's another app to manage. Second, the palm scanner isn't perfect. It works great most of the time, but occasional misreads can be annoying. And third, charging the main battery takes 9 hours, which is long. If batteries die and you don't have your phone, there's a USB port for emergency power, but it's not ideal. So, is it real security or a gimmick? Well, it's real. The palm vein tech is legitimate and more secure than fingerprints. At $130, it's affordable for what you get. The lock works well, looks sleek, and offers multiple unlock methods. Yes, there are minor bugs and occasional misreads, but nothing deal-breaking. If you want futuristic security without breaking the bank, the Wyze Palm Lock is legit. Just keep backup batteries charged and be patient during setup. That's the honest review on the Wyze Palm Lock, guys. Do you trust palm vein tech? Let me know, and thanks for watching.